Hello guys, aka hello my little kids. Today we are going to be playing in or out.
I'll be doing
Slime
the
edition.
I'll be doing the ends.
I'll be doing the outs.
So let's start, guys.
You are out if you are playing with slime right now. You are out if you drink Coca-Cola a lot.
You are in if you like to drink water all the time.
You are out if you are still in school. You're out if you have a device, and you're out if you have chores.
You are in if you love pandas.
You're out if you love cats. You're out if you own a horse.
You are in if you own fake flowers.
You are out if you have a farm. You are out if you are adopted. You are out if you hate slime.
You are in if you love school.
You are out if you have a Nickelodeon slime kit.
You are in if you believe in Santa.
You are out if you get bullied.
You are in if you love cheerleading.
You are out if you like watching my videos. And you are out if you are subscribed to me.
If you're in,
you're in.
If you're in, I mean, oh my God, I cannot talk
Here,
anymore, guys.
you are in.
And you're in. Okay.
I said you are in
If you did not subscribe to our channel, please subscribe, guys.
Yes. You are out if you have failed your last math test.
You are in if you have a test tomorrow.
You are out if you and your friends fight all the time.
You are in if you love your teachers.
You're out if you hate your teachers.
You are in if you love drinking Coke. If you love drinking Coke sometimes.
You are out if you were in the majority of the time so far.
Yeah. And if you're in right now, congratulations. But here's one thing.
If you're out,
but here's one more question that I'm gonna do.
you are in
if you love blue.
You are out if you love pink. So,
Are you in or out?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to have some more weird videos. This one wasn't really weird, just kind of random. So, one last question. You are out if you hate pandas.
So guys, see ya!
Bye!